Hello friends, welcome to Otica Electronics company. Today we are going to show you how the ECG cable comes with, and our Otica ECG cable is compatible with how many companies. So today we are going to unbox. It comes with like this kind of poly bag. You can see a QC pass, so this cable is properly tested inside our manufacturing unit. So we are just opening it. So this is a very good quality cable. You see, we have given in a two different length for the vertex probe and the limb probe. You can just see these are the upper limb and this is the lower limb cable, and this six chest electrode cables are connected in one, so you can easily discriminate. And we have also provided the number on the cable pin from V1 to V2, V3, V4, so your staff can be easily identify which pin has to be placed on which place. As well as in our limbs, we have provided the right arm and left arm, LA and RA. As well as in our lower limb, we have provided indication RL means right leg and LL means left leg. So we have make this ECG cable very easy to use, and this ECG cable comes with this connector. So you can lock it in the ECG machine. This is a detachable. You can insert and tight it in the ECG machine, so that this will have a firm connection with your ECG machine. Many times there are frequency error, or we can see noise in the signals, so that might be due to the poor connection with the ECG device. So make sure this cable connection is properly and connected with the ECG machine. This type of screw devices are used widely nowadays. Main companies are like BPL, we can see Philips, we can see Nidec, we can give to Contact, RMS, many companies. You can just discriminate the type of cable with this two bolt. This machine is compatible with 3-channel, 6-channel and 12-channel machine of any brand. But one company is there, GE, where there is no place of this bolt. So you can use that too in the GE. In that case, you just need to remove this screw, and you can use this as a GE cable. So this is how our Otica ECG cable comes with. Thank you for watching.